Hi guys, welcome back. So today we've got this Gen 1 R8 V10 Spyder. It's got a VF engineering supercharger kit on it. It's a long-term customer. We're troubleshooting some problem with the AC, then doing some service work, make sure it's running all nice. But before we jump into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also notification bell, and then you won't miss any of our new videos when they go live. So what we're going to be doing on this vehicle is changing the gearbox fluid, the axle fluid at the front, changing the air filters, like the coil packs, all that kind of stuff. Also updating the supercharger pulleys as well. Yeah, so we're going to get the car in the shop and get into it. What we're doing on this vehicle today, so obviously it's already been supercharged. We're going to be doing a full service on the vehicle, including like oils, all the filters, spark plugs, stuff like that. And then also we're going to be doing some fault finding on the AC. So at the moment the customer's saying that basically the AC doesn't work at all. Obviously not ideal in the kind of weather we've been having at the moment. So we're going to start fault finding that. But before we start doing that, I'll show you guys some of the service parts we've got. So we've got the gearbox oil, we've got the front axle oils, we've got the engine oil filter, got the pollen filter, we've got the other filters, we've got all the spark plugs, and also we've got the coil packs. So we are replacing the coil packs on this vehicle because they're well over 10 years old now, starting to show obviously some signs of aging. Obviously the use of the supercharger and we're changing the spark plugs will be good practice just to get these replaced at the same time. So we'll start the service work, start the investigation, and show what we'll find a little bit later on. Okay, so we've been fault finding with the air conditioning system. Obviously, customers saying that the AC isn't blowing any cold air whatsoever. So one of the first problems that we found is the AC system didn't actually have any gas in it. So we regassed the system and there weren't any leaks in the system. So we started to take a look at the live data. So obviously the system was holding pressure, but the system wasn't actually generating any increase in pressure. So that to us would signify that there's obviously something to do, like a problem to do with the system that's meant to generate the pressure, which leads us to the AC compressor. The problem with these cars is that it's basically buried deep within the engine bay, and you either have to remove the whole entire engine to get to the AC compressor, or you remove the oil pump to get to the AC compressor. So on this particular car, we removed the oil pump, and then it's revealed to us that basically the pulley has actually failed. So as you can see here, this metal piece is meant to be connected to this outer piece, and it's completely snapped off. So that's basically why there's no increase in AC pressure whatsoever. So we've got a new unit delivered direct from Audi. I'm going to get it swapped out with this one, fire it up, and then hopefully obviously we should see an increase in pressure and the problem should be solved. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.